had a small physics experiment in the first class. So next are our classes. We have 4 per day and 100 minutes each. So today's classes will start with physics and math, right? And then in the afternoon we will have biology and chemistry. Our curriculum was designed especially by our school, so it's like some topics we might learn faster or slower, not like other schools.
Okay, and for example, in math, we start calculus in our first year, like here. Yeah, but don't be worried, the teachers help a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so and other than that, we also have loads of extracurricular activities such as reading books, volunteering, or even exercising. You can read more of that in the official website of MWIT here.
Yes. And now we're walking to maths class, so let's go.
After all the study, let's say we go get some food.
We come to the canteen for all of our food, and there's a lot here.
So for me, I'm getting scrambled eggs topped with cheese for lunch.
And I'm having Japanese rice and pork.
And on top of that, we also have the mart. It's like a convenience store, and there's even our own water brand.
And now after lunch we have 2 more subjects, biology and chemistry. We did a worksheet and a presentation in biology today, and for chemistry, we did a lab about gas. So now, after school, there are so many things you can do. You can go to the library, or maybe enter the sports center. Or maybe you want to play something in the music room. Or maybe help sort out the packages in the delivery area. But don't forget to pick up your clothes. Here, we usually send clothes in the morning and pick up dry ones in the evening near the laundry room. Finally, we then go up to the dorms. The dorms close at 10 p.m.
ถ้าจะตอบว่าไม่มีเนี่ยก็คงไม่ได้นะคะแต่ว่า
เราก็จะมีเพื่อนๆกับคุณครูที่พร้อมจะซัพพอร์ตแล้วก็เรียนไปด้วยกันครับ
ใช่ค่ะแล้วคลิปวันนี้ก็คงจะจบกันเพียงเท่านี้นะคะ
สวัสดีครับ